Because we only have so many slots in our brain for storing content. Once that content is gone, it just disappears, yeah? We have a limited channel, so we're not going to remember things. So if we see a video once on the internet, and we think it's fantastic, and we laugh, and we love it, and we tweet it, and we share it with our friends, and everybody high-fives back at the agency, and it wins 20 luries for being phenomenal-awesome, yeah? And then nobody remembers. I made that word up. It's the shit. You can use it, yeah? Tell your clients, this is phenomenal-awesome, yeah? And nobody remembers it. It doesn't work because your brain doesn't function that way. What you have to do, the way your brain works is like your computer. You have short-term memory and long-term memory. You have to link stuff that you're hearing now with stuff you already know. Make links and then you remember it. So we need repetition over and over and over again. And my suggestion is the internet does a very, very bad job of repeating things. It repeats things, but it repeats them to other people. Yeah, so then what happens is we go through what is referred to as cognitive dumping. If we don't remember things, your brain just literally randomly says, I need a slot for a new bit of information that's coming in. I'm going to empty this one at random, throw it away, and give you a new one. Now that is called cognitive dumping. It's a scientific term. The term we go by is called brain fart. Yeah, brain fart. Good. Now, the thing about brain fart is it can be cured, like normal flatulence. I mean, obviously there's some people here who are quite flatulent. Now, but the internet is also cool for other things. So I did manage to find this recently. Guys, and you can write this shit down, fart deodorizing pads for those silent and deadly killers. Google it. It's a how-to. It's a how-to of how to make a deodorizer for your boxers. So you drop one and someone thinks, you farted. And you say, no. And then they wait a second like, vanilla. Yeah? And they were like, I saw you farted, but obviously you didn't, because that's vanilla. Wow, mocha chocolate? Yeah? This is the thing. And I got thinking, I thought, this is exactly it. If we have brain fart, and you can't see this subtle, genius bit of presentation making, but when I click this, an arrow points to the pad, and it says, radio. Radio is the fart deodorizing pad of attention. You're welcome. Yeah? And this is it. This is what radio does so fundamentally well, yeah? There's a saying in the Marines, and it says, slow is smooth, smooth is fast. And I think that's fantastic, but I think that what it basically refers to is get stuff done once, nice and slowly, and over time, if your end result will come quicker. And if the end result is collective attention or attention that is remembered and retention, then I think that's what you have to do. So I think that there's ways to do this, but the bottom line is the key is repetition. If we repeat something over and over and over again, people will remember it.